How to create a TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a TikTok account in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you haven't already, you can download the TikTok for free from the Google Play Store, and once it's installed, you can simply open the app. And once you are inside the TikTok, you can simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can see the option to sign up. So simply tap on that. And once you do that, you can choose the preferred method to sign up. Here you will be provided to sign up with a phone number, email, Facebook, and Google. For this video, I'll be using the email option. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply enter your email address, and once you're done with that, simply tap on continue. Now, on the next page, you have to create a strong password. So create a strong password which need to have at least 8 characters including 1 letter, 1 number, and your password strength will be displayed. So aim for a strong one. And once you're done with that, simply tap on continue. And now on the next page, you have to enter your birth date. So simply enter your birth date, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the next button. And on the next page, you can add a nickname to your profile, but if you want to skip it, you can simply skip it by tapping on the skip button. And once you're done with that, your account is successfully created. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.